I'm online?
Oh, now we are. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Wednesday, May 4th, 2022. And surprisingly, we didn't see any big movement. I was thinking we'd see a big movement up or a big movement down at 5:30 when NFP came out, but it looks like it's still consolidated in this zone right at the top of this area. Um, my bias is still a sell-off, right? You can see this ILC that we have right here. This is a previous ILC that had been respected multiple times, including yesterday. So I kind of just kept it there, but I also wanted to point out this ILC up top. Now, there's the 15-minute chart. You can see it looks pretty fucking ugly. I wouldn't take, anything right here, really. Even though I think it looks like it's an uptrend, right? We got to break a structure right here. Let's go down to the 1 hour. I mean, it could still be a sell-off as well. Look at this. There will be. Let's look at the 4 hour. Man, you can even see the 4 hour. It kind of looks to me like it wants to go up just because of this engulfing candle here and these wicks bouncing off this resistance to support. You can see support, resistance, support, resistance, right? And breakthrough, and now it's using it as support. The only thing that I do see here for sure is that there's the 50 EMA right here. And price has been essentially following the 50 EMA the entire time, this entire way down, which you can see here, right? A few little breakouts to reject, right? But for the most part, everything's been respecting the 20 EMA or the 50 EMA. Now, it could happen again where price just comes back up and rejects it again. I think that's definitely a possibility. And you can see the 2 hour is right here. It's in the 2 hour ILC right now. So this is big, actually. I mean, this is really big for price, this area, what it's going to do, its movements. And the only thing I can think is it's possibly, I mean, we know it's a downtrend, and the news that came out this week wasn't great, right? So with NFP, they were expecting 382. It was less than 247,000, or it was 247,000, so about 135,000 less. Trade balance, they thought negative 107. They got negative 109, and greater than forecast or better here, so that's not good. ISM services, PMI. I think what a lot of things might be happening right here is waiting for this FOMC at 11. Biden speaking, so I think it's going to be pretty crazy today. This is at 11 a.m. I don't know if I want to trade it just because we still have so much consolidation right here. So it's hard for me to say. I think overall I might go up though. These rejections right here on the bottom. I'm trying to see if I see anything like that. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Rejections, good push up. I mean, it's still reversed. It's kind of tough where we're at. The thing that gets me is that we had price break below this low, right? Price broke below this low, boom, rejected and popped up. Now, my bias is still sell, but I feel like with this engulfing candle, with these rejection candles, we could see a big push. That's what I'm worried about. Kids are all awake still. They all woke up early. Daughter's 6, so I'm gonna have them all day. Alright, so this is a big area right here. That's all I know. Consolidation is for sure here. Um, we could see key rejections at these levels up here. I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna sell up here. This is where I'm looking to sell from. Thing is, it's trying to gauge how much these ILCs are gonna be, or these stop losses are gonna be, right? Yeah, I can't do that. 100 pip stop losses are going to be hard to do. They definitely didn't make it clear, but this, you know, in my opinion, is lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, lower low. So break a structure again, right? But then we have price break above not only this high, but this high, right? Just to make it sure. And it's kind of tough right here. This is going to be definitely something to remember in the trade journal. I'm going to put some asterisks next to it on the file name. But it's really hard to say. I think these would probably be the clearest, right? And even then, a 70 pip stop loss is pretty crazy. I have to say at least to here. And I mean, it's kind of hard when you have this 30-minute 50 EMA right here. You don't really have too many like this. Honestly, I might just stay away from it this morning until I see a breakout. Because I don't see, I mean, yeah, this ILC right here, I do like it. But it's real hard to say that's the ILC I'm going to take when you have a 100 pip stop loss. You know? 2-hour ILC right on top right here, or EMA. Man. It's pretty hard to gauge where this is coming from. Let's see. 626. It's coming up to that moment, right? This is really a big moment right here. Okay.
And he wants this.
Okay, I'm on here. Love you. Don't have the TV loud, okay? At all.
Silas didn't want his bottle, and then he didn't want his bottle, and she wanted to stare at me, and he wouldn't fall asleep. He's like, "Whoa." And then now he's doing.
I'm trying to see if. Yeah, no, I don't. So let's see. We're getting a bit of a push up right here before open. Let me get my shit ready actually. Alright, I'm just getting my third screen up. I like to have all three, the 1, the 5, and the 15. Let me see here. Nah, no positions in right now, Johnny. Nothing right now. It's where I'm kind of looking at, but honestly, I might not trade right now, just depending what price gives us. Just because look at how ugly it is. It's still in the consolidation. I am looking for sell still, just looking at the bigger time frames. But I'm also worried because we have price sitting on top. Let me show you the 4-hour. I'm sorry, the 30-minute. We have price sitting on top of the 30-minute EMA. We have somewhat, an uptrend going, but I'm thinking it could just fall off from here. That's my opinion, especially with the bad news that's come out. So I'm still in sell-off mode, but today being FOMC, it could be, we could see something push all the way up here, right? Or up here before we see a sell-off. So I think those are two options that could happen, which I'm worried about. But we got open right now in 1 minute. Let me get the screens ready. All right, let's go. We are? Oh, shit. I knew we were holding it for a good reason. Alright, we got 30 seconds till open. No positions in yet. I want to be clear where I'm at. So if I don't jump in, I might not jump in. You know what I mean? It just depends. We'll see. Alright, so I got the 5-minute up right here. Let's see what it does right now at open. Might come down. I love it. I mean, it's hard to. Yeah, look at that. I haven't put nothing in yet, just because I don't want to put anything in right here in this middle of this section. Even though I like the sell-off right here with the 50 EMA and all that, you can see there's a lot of support here. The 30-minute EMA is right here, so it could still push up, right? Does look like it wants to come down though. Damn, there it goes. As much as I want to put a sell in right here, I just it's right in the middle of this consolidation, which I don't like. Yeah, I might have missed it. I definitely missed it. You can see there's buyers in here, there's sellers in here. There's a lot of confusion because of it being in the middle of the consolidation. Yeah. I don't think I want to put anything in until I see really a sense of direction. Even though it looks like it broke below right here, I think it's probably still going to come down. I can't find the strength to trade in the middle of this. I don't think it's a good idea. So I want to see some movement up top, up here, before I put a sell in, or movement down here before I put a buy in. Whoa. So we are getting some. Okay, now it's reversing down. I think it's found its movement now. I think it found it's headed down. I guess that could have been the move. Is, you know, we get in here, stop loss above right here, but it would have been hard to like pull it before it gets into a key zone, you know. Yeah, but it's headed down. Damn. Yeah, I'm just trying to follow my rules, and you don't want to trade in the middle of a consolidation right now. No. What's up, Papa? Man, I got these kids going crazy. Definitely looks like it's headed down. I can't find the strength to put in a sell right here. I mean, it definitely looks like it's coming down. There's 34 seconds left here. Maybe we can see a small retracement up, and then we could take a, well, depending how it finishes. This is an ILC right here, right? Yeah. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. And now if we could see a small retracement, boom, and then a rejection here. Zoe, shh, shh, shh.
He's copying me.
And now, I'd like to see like a little retracement back up, and then we could find a rejection here, but it might not happen.
Daddy, could you take him out your room?
Yeah. It's not moving a lot. I'm not in any positions right now. There's definitely buyers in there. That's just what I'm saying. Like, there's not a lot of movement. Even though there's a straight push down, there's not a lot of movement, right? It's only moved about since open. 60 pips. A lot of sellers in here, but there's also some buyers in here. Like I said, I overall we could see that it's really on an uptrend, right? So
Dad, what's this say? Dad, what's this say? That one.
I don't know, read it. Hold on, let me go get my son.
You're not right back there.
You're way too loud right now.
Sorry.
Careful, please. Damn, that shit's shooting all the way back up. Whatever you watch, it needs to be very low. Okay. Sister right there. Got back up to that area, right?
Daddy, look what he did.
I put a small sell in right now. I like the rejection at that area. But let's see. Shit.
Daddy, Silas is warm.
It's warm.
I want to keep.
like that. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Damn, I knew it. There's a big one right here. It's either going to reject it and come down or not. So let's see. I'm in there, but it's hard to say where it's going to come down to, right? All right, let's see.
I watched Harry Potter and the Secret Stone. I found it on your channel.
Okay.
Look it. The thing that you watched, it made me go on it. Look it and look at what I found.
Okay.
Harry Potter.
Shh. I got small positions in there. I got .01s in there just because where it's at. Yeah, look at that.
Don't ask any more questions. My top secret
Yeah. Wow.
Professor Snape is a Hogwarts teacher.
Hogwarts teach or not, he knows spell when I see them. I read all about them. We've got to keep eye contact. And Snape.
Lost about $30-some right there. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
All three of you. You're meddling in things that ought not to be meddled in. It's dangerous. What that dog is guarding is strictly to teach Professor Dumbledore.
Turn it down, Zoe.
What does Flamel?
I mean, turn it down, Zoe. Here, I got it.
I stay next to the TV.
I put one more cell in. Stops just above the wick. We'll see how it finishes. There's still 10 seconds, but I just put a .02 in there. I'm at 0.95, so I'm only up about 7 pips, or 9 pips, 8 pips, whatever it is. But it looks like it just might be consolidating for FOMC. So this is my last trade for today. Let's see if it'll go down or stay here. Yeah. Yeah, it's ugly.
he thinks you look like that guy.
See if it goes. Damn, that should really stop me out. Motherfucker, dude. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just stay away. I think it's going down, but the shit's playing right now, so. And it stopped me out of my position. Wow, that's crazy. That should really stop me out. Fucking bitch. Yeah, I don't recommend trading this. I mean, it looks like it's coming down, but, you know, you got to be in up there up top because we're right in the middle of a consolidation right now, obviously. Right? All this movement, ranging, and then some more ranging. Then when you break it down to the 1 minute chart, look at this. It looks like it's coming down, right? But I also see it, you know, it's kind of, it's flagging out right now. It might be waiting for 7 o'clock, because that's when they're going to drop the numbers. But you can see what it's doing right here. And now it's pushing up. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't like when I'm confused like this. So I'm down about $30 for the day, which ain't bad considering what the fuck just happened. But, I mean, it looks like it's coming down, but, you know, you got to get in up top for sure. I don't know if you're able to get in a position and hold it. Let me know if you were able to. Yeah, you can see what it's doing right here. I mean, it does look like it's coming down. I ain't gonna lie, but it's just flagging out, so to speak. So what you need is to be in up top right here, right? Which I kind of wasn't at 95, so I was in like right here. Came through, stopped me out. It's playing, right? But I'm not in anymore, so I took a small loss.
There's something wrong with that rabbit.
This wound will
Turn it down, Zoe, now. There it goes.
whichever item you choose will be your mystic weapon for life.
Now it looks like it's making its way down. I'm not in there, but there you go. Yeah, I mean it's ugly right now, but it looks like it's finally gonna come down. I just wouldn't play in this mode right here. The 15-minute looks good to come down, but like I said, we're in the middle of consolidation, so turn it down some more, Zoe.
I'm Li Shan. I'm looking for my son. You lost your son? Yes. Many years ago. That's my fault. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, it looks good to come down now. I'm not going to put anything in. I don't like putting in sales at the bottom of anything, so definitely not going to do that, but I think it's finally going to take off right here. we got news coming out at 7 o'clock too, so that's about 10 minutes away, 11 minutes away. Third, fourth, ISM services, PMI, so purchase managing, whatever the fuck, Institute for Supply Management. I'm not sure, so this might be it right here, but we'll see. And look at that, pushing back up. Yeah, stay away from this shit. No sells in this area, no buys in this area. I wouldn't, at least. And now it looks like it's going to push up, right? You can see the way the 5-minute is starting to form. And that means there's probably a double tweezer bottom on the 15-minute. Yeah, look at that. If it finishes that way, bullish, then yeah, there's 9 minutes left for it to do that. It's basically a mirror of itself, a yin and a yang. Now it's coming down again. Obviously the sellers are up top, the buyers are down here, trying to see who's who, and I think the market makers are really probably just waiting to trap a whole bunch of sellers before they move up, or attract a whole bunch of buyers before they move down. Either way. Well, I might push down right here. We'll see. Final 2 minutes of this 5 minutes. So. I just really want to see what it's doing. I don't have any positions in. I'm just here to see what it's doing. I think 7 o'clock is going to be the one, but we'll see.
Inside every little girl
There it goes. Now I think it's starting to make its move. I applaud anybody who made it through that shit.
Manifestation of our subconscious, or maybe it's just fun. Hey, Ramus. I'm rich with friendship.
Finally, boy, are you human again? I'm finally going to be human again.
Who is that? Paul Schmalder, the hall monitor. Put down the sixth graders and bring me anyone wearing gym clothes who is not in gym class.
Hey, Stu. Do you have this experience?
You bet I am.
You don't read the book. What we need is to change out these clothes and dispatch class.
All right, we're about 4 minutes away from the ISM, and I have to imagine the news isn't going to be good, and I have to imagine it should continue to drive price down. So.
This looks bad, right?
Yeah.
It was an accident. But hey, it's middle school. Time to try new things. Hundreds of things and learn from our mistakes, right? But this one thing got out of hand.
Miss, I'll see what I ordered. You were supposed to put... Who is that? Paul Schmalder, the hall monitor. Put down the sixth graders and bring me anyone wearing gym clothes who is not in gym class.
Hey, Stu. You have this experience?
You bet I...
Where am I? In the valley. Who are you? I am Sally. Where have you come from? From Fantasy Mountain. Through the portal. Oh, right. She really has hit her head. She was very bad. No, I'm telling you.
Yeah, this shit's flying down now.
So, you have powers? Can you fly?
I mean, I guess it was respecting it the entire time, but you just can't be too sure with the consolidation that was happening right there.
Come on, let's go. No, wait, Sally. How can I get to the mountain? Through the portal. Look for hardy wings. It won't always be obvious. That green turtle. Put your hands on your head. Then on your waist. Step forward, down,
coming up right now. Let's see. So this is the 1 minute. It looks good to just continue to be coming down. We have the news about to come out right now. So I'm going to remember this formation right here because this is what kind of confused me, is all these wicks at the bottom, all these wicks up top. So I was thinking, okay, what's it going to do? And that's what really kept me from staying away from this trade. I'll go ahead and check the news on this side. Let me see here. Turn it down a little bit, Zoe. Yeah, so PMI was actually worse. They were expecting 58.8 or 58.5, and they got it at 57.1. So. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. Hey. Hey. Yeah, I guess that was the move. And now it's really at the bottom of, you can see support actually starts here at this level, so we could see if it's going to reject here, possibly give us a retracement. Definitely, in my opinion, broke structure, right? We could see that higher lows have been broken. So let's say if we were to do something like this, maybe at 11 o'clock we'll see something like this. It doesn't look bad. Whoops. I think price is definitely broken structure to the downside, confirmation of that. Turn it down, Zoe.
I can't hear it, so I have to stay close to the TV, and I don't want my eyes to hurt.
Turn it down, please.
But I have to stay next to the TV. I can't hear it.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't.
Hey, you got a time limit on TV today, too. Just because you're sick doesn't mean you're,
I can't hear it now.
call it 40 pips. realistically, I think it could come down here, which it could technically do. We'll see what price gives us, if it gives us another opportunity. I know you'll probably be at school by then, but I'll be looking for something like this. Maybe it's gonna wait to break all of these, right? So we'll see. Let's say if it breaks these, I'd still like the trade up here. So we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us.
The mirror represents vanity. An elder must think of others.
Whatever.
Sorry. An elder man. An elder man. An elder. Nothing.
What is it at right now? 984.
All of them to throw a Broadway murder mystery party! Murder weapon! The second murder weapon! And the latest
Well, yes, that's correct. Your choice shows an elder's need for originality, problem solving, consideration of others, and a lot of murder mysteries. Audrey is the new elder.
Maybe this is too ridiculous. Wow! New older!
Man, that thing is moving.
What are we doing, fellow youth? Waiting in line? Cool. Easy breezy. I'm with you. That's what's nice. The internet's a little messy. Can I get one of these?
First up, answer all questions.
I want to see it retrace now. Hopefully. You know what I'm gonna do? Cause I ain't gonna lie, I feel like fucking trading. I'm gonna put, what is this? 3090. Approaching discount zone. What's up, Papa? So I'm gonna put this up. If you want to do it too, you could do it. You know, I wouldn't recommend you trading if you're at school, but just so you can go ahead and what do you call it? Approaching stop loss. So I'm going to keep it like that, approaching my discount area, approaching stop loss, my sell-off area, and then approaching my stop loss. Go from there. That would be TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4. So it looks like we will get a retracement from this area, and then we can see what price gives us. Looks like it's starting to kind of make its move back up there. So we shall see. So if you want to do that, we can do that, and then we'll go from there. I appreciate you for hopping on. I'm happy you're able to keep your money. I'm going to see if I can make back mine times 3 and or times 10, and we'll go from there. Have a good one. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow, my guy.